Good morning, children. In this session, we're going to study about 3D shapes and patterns. 3D shapes: cube, cuboid, cone, and sphere are some examples of 3D shapes. First heading is look at the given tile patterns. They have been created by a repeating tile a number of times. The first one, this is our tile pattern. This is our tile, children. Using this tile, we have make this pattern. How many times we use this tile? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So using 8 tile, we make this pattern. That means the same tile only we have to use and make the new pattern. So next one, see here, we use this tile and make this pattern. How many tiles we have to use here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So using 6 tiles, we make this pattern. This is our third example. So this is a tile. Using this tile, we have to make this pattern. How many tiles we have to use for this pattern? Count, children. 1, 2, then this one, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Using 8 tiles, we have to make this pattern. This is your next exercise, children. Complete the following tiling pattern. First, I show the question, children. Next, I have to show the answer also. You should try this in your maths classic note and take snap and send to me for the correction. As well as take your book, maths book, and there is some exercise like this. You try to complete that, children. Is it clear? Very good. I hope you should complete and take snap and send to me for correction. The next question. Copy the tiling pattern of above question on the dot grids given below and color both the tiling patterns in 2 different ways. So here we complete, children, this like you have to complete the third and fourth question. Then you give color as your wish. Is it clear? Now I show the answer for you. So this is completed picture. The first one, the same pattern they complete here. The third question and they give color. This is also the same, but they give the different color, children. That only different from the first figure. Can you understand? This like you should draw and give color and send to correction. This is your next exercise. Complete the given pattern by extending the tiles as shown below. So we need to draw the same square and give the color like white, black, black, white. Just like you need to give color. So this one, our completed pattern, children. This like you should do in your classic note, or else I give the worksheet. There you do and send that one correction for me. Is it clear? This is our next pattern. You should draw the two triangle white and black, or else you draw the square, children, square. Then you have to divide half. That means the two triangle has formed. Then you can give white and black color, or else you can take any two color. Not only white and black, you can take some other colors also. But two colors only you have to follow. Children, I saw the answer for you. This is your answer. This like you make a pattern, children. The next exercise, draw a square and a rectangle using the dot grid given below. This is your wish only. You can take any dot and you can make a square and a rectangle. I saw just example for you, but as your wish you can make rectangle and square. Can take more than 7 dotted. Okay, so this is only example for you. The next exercise, create a pattern using any shape like square, rectangle or triangle. So I will show one example for you using a square or rectangle or triangle. That's your wish. You can use any figure, square, rectangle or triangle, but that should be in a pattern. I saw one example for you. Here they using a rectangle. Here 3, but here 2. So this is a rectangle. Instead of the rectangle form, you can take some other figure, square or triangle. Is it clear, children? Children, our next question. Which of the following tiling pattern is made by changing the colors of the given tiling pattern? See here the white and orange color tiling pattern is here. The same pattern where you search here. The color only different, Here they using yellow and blue. So maybe our answer is C. So I chose C. Shall we check our answer? Yes, correct. Children, our next question. Look at the tiling pattern. Which of the following statement is true? Two different types of tiles are used in the tiling pattern. See here. Is there using any two different types? No, only single type only here. Then there are gaps in the tiling pattern. Here any gap? Is there any gap? No, that also wrong. Then the tiling pattern is made using square tile. Is this square? No, these are not square. This is the triangle. So the tiling pattern is made using triangles. So this option only correct. So D is our option. I choose D now. Children, shall we check our answer? Yes, our answer is correct. The third question. Which of the following tiling pattern is made using only square tiles? See here. Here any square. Is there any square? No. This square, but here triangle also. So this is also not our answer. Here everything is made by square only. Then see here, this is not a square. So what's our answer? Maybe our answer is C. So I select C. Shall we check our answer? Yes, our answer is correct. Our fourth question. How many different shapes of tiles have been used to make this tiling pattern? How many figures they used here? 1, 2. So they are using square and triangle. So 2 figures only, no? So where it is in D option. I select D. Shall we check? Yes, our answer is correct. Our fifth question. Observe the given tiling pattern. What is the shape of that tile used in both the tiling patterns? Listen. What is the shape of the tile, children? Yes, very good. Rectangle. Where it is? In the B option, rectangle. So I select B. Shall we check our answer? Yes, correct, children. Children, I hope you all learned shapes and patterns in this session. Thank you, children.